we have to ensure if our scroll lock is on or off. So for that, right click on the status bar, and here you have scroll lock and which is on. And for future reference, I'm going to check mark this. So whenever the scroll lock button is on, it should display here scroll lock. So now I have to turn it off. Usually most of the keyboard has a specific button saying scroll lock, but if you don't have your scroll lock button in your keyboard, you can use the on-screen keyboard to switch off scroll lock. For that, go to Start and then search on-screen keyboard. Click here, and here is your on-screen keyboard, and here you can see the scroll lock button is already highlighted because it's turned on. So click here and close it, and here we don't have scroll locks. That means the scroll lock is turned off. So right click here and you can see scroll lock is currently off.